Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. I am Limitless. I have a free solution to your problem, and that solution is called Handbrake. If this video helps you out, do me a favour, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get in it. So guys, this is Handbrake. Now you'll find the link in the description below. Please feel free to jump down, click on it, download it, install it, and don't forget to create a shortcut. Because, well, not that I want to admit it, but I did. And I forgot where I installed it and I had to go hunting for it. Anyway, once you open it up, this is what you come to. You can either open a file or you can drag and drop. Now I've actually got a file already up here pre-prepared. So we'll drag and drop this in. Now, once you drag and drop it in, it will load up fairly quickly. Up here it tells you exactly how long it is. So this is 1 minute 22 seconds. The preset currently is fast 1080p 30. Now this is the resolution that it's going to render at, right? We can get into your settings and change it to suit ourselves. Now I believe this was shot in 30 fps. But once you load your file, this should be your comment. So we've got presets up the top, we've got a bunch of different options just above here. So we've got summary, dimensions, filter, video, audio, subtitles and chapters. On the left hand side we've got formats. We can change the format or whatever we want to convert it to, so MP4, MPV and WebM. It tells you information about the track, filters and the actual size. So once you load your file in, this is the screen you're coming. Now up in the top left hand corner you're going to see presets here. Now up here in the presets we can change the preset for what it's going to render to. So we can change it to 720p, we can do super high quality surround sound, you can change it to the web format or a device format, for example Android, Apple, Chromecast. We can also change it into MKV files, or we can change it for a production quality as well. There are your standard presets. But if we go to the left hand side here, we can also make it web optimized. We can change it for iPod 5G support as well. Now if we go to these wee tabs at the top, in this tab, in the dimensions tab, we can actually crop the file to suit ourselves. We can change the width, we can also change the height. So for example, if it's 1920 by 1080, we can change that. And we can also crop top, left, bottom, whatever you need. And the filters, you can actually add filters, so we can sharpen it, we can denoise it, we can even rotate it as much as we want, so we can flip the whole thing, just in case you've accidentally on your camera upside down. Now in the video tab, this is going to be the one that you're going to really be mostly paying attention to. Now in here we can change the video codec. Just underneath that is the frame rate. So we can change the frame rate all the way to 60 FPS. You can actually do, depending on what you've shot it at, you can change it to 128, you can limit it to 60. I always like to use 60. Just underneath that, you can change this to either constant frame rate, or you can also change it to peak frame rate. Now the difference between these two, constant frame rate means it will stick to 60 FPS throughout the entire video, right? Peak frame rate, what it does is if you've got nothing really happening in the frames at that given time, for example this video right here, I'm just sitting here, my computer screen is stationary, what it will do is it will limit the FPS down to 30 to make the rendering output much faster for you. So it might be a better option for yourself. Me personally, I always kind of use as high quality as possible. I don't mind waiting. On the right hand side here you've got quality. Now you move that, you slide this bar left and right. All the way to the left is a lower quality video, which means it's going to render much faster, depending on the length of your video. It really depends on the output. Or you can get placebo quality, which is lossless quality. It's the same quality as what you put in. I've changed this to placebo quality because I'm very happy with that. You can change your encoder presets, encoder tune. You can also go in and edit your audio files. Always make sure that your mix down is set to stereo. You don't really want mono. You can change your codec, so you can change your audio to an MP3 file, or a big bunch of different ones there as well. You've also got your bitrate quality, So in this tab, you can change your audio settings as well. So you've got a bunch of different settings in here. Usually these are always set perfect anyway, so I don't really need to edit these. I wouldn't really touch these because I've never had any sort of issue with them. Also, you can import subtitles if that's something you've written up before. Just import them from a file and it will put them in for you. And then you can add chapters at the end. So basically this is more like think about it more like a DVD. Where you can hit the skip button and it'll jump to chapter rather than jump to the end of the video. We'll go back to summary page. We have this all kind of already pre-set up. Down the bottom here you'll see save as, and you've got a browse button over here. So click the browse button. This will determine the folder that you're going to save it in. We're going to click desktop, save it in desktop, and then we're going to go this green play button, start encoding. We're going to click start encoding, and it'll come up at the bottom down here. You've got a green bar. That is you done. Well guys, that's going to do us for this video today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and up here you will find my most recent video on how to make intros just like the pros do. If there's anything you want to know regarding the intro videos or this video or something you think I've missed, please leave it in the comments below and I will respond back to you. Take it easy and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
I'm back.